For amazing drinks and shakes, a stop at Center Street Nutrition in Deer Park, Texas is a must. Come on in and let's take a look.
When you're traveling through Texas, you're bound to get hungry. Join Joe as he eats his way through the Lone Star State. This is Texas Chronicles Pit Stop with Joe Perez.
We're at Center Street Nutrition in Deer Park, Texas. Well, Center Street Nutrition, it is fast food for healthy people. We offer loaded teas, specialty teas, shakes. Our loaded teas and specialty drinks, they have no sugar in them. And they have energy, 27 vitamins and minerals. They have a thermogenic that actually burns fat. Our specialty drinks, they have protein in it, 17 grams of protein. It's kind of like a mini meal replacement. And then our shakes, they're all under 250 calories, and they're an actual meal replacement. You have your protein, and you actually have a healthy meal, which is in there, so you have your protein and your meal replacement, and they're under 250 calories. And they're all keto friendly. Okay, so when we opened up, it was in February of 2020. My husband had retired 33 years in the Pasadena Police Department. I left a career of 23 years. We opened up February the 20th. 2 weeks later, COVID hit. So I was listening to KSBJ, and they had a prayer wall. And I was like, how could we do that here? And I was like, you know what? Let's start writing on cups. So no cup can ever leave without a saying on it. And we try to, whether it's scripture, you know, just motivation for the day, motivation for the week. And I can't tell you how many people text me, send me Facebook messages. You don't know what this did for me today. Thank you so much. And so no cup goes without a saying, because you never know how, whether it be a smile or just a saying, how you're gonna affect someone's day. When we opened up, we had a student, and he was an athlete, and we had talked to several parents, and the athletes, it was a really hard time for them to find somewhere to work, because nobody would work with their schedule. Sometimes it's 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening, but we work with the athlete's schedule. A lot of high schoolers, whether they're athletics, softball, drama, any extracurricular activities, we'll work with their schedules. And everybody's like, well, how does that help them a couple of hours? And like I tell them, I was like, it takes a little bit of burden off of the parents, because it may pay for gas that day, lunch that day, eyelashes for the girls. And a lot of our athletes, I'm very proud of them, because these kids start their mornings at 6 a.m. They work here, they go to school, then they do their extracurricular activities, get up and do it all again the next morning. So I'm super proud, and the world better watch out, because we've got some awesome kids coming out of here.
You can find us on Facebook, Center Street Nutrition,
Instagram, Nutrition Center Street,
and TikTok at Center Street Nutrition.
If you're ever in Deer Park, stop by Center Street Nutrition, 3802 Center Street. We would love to help you. Fast food for healthy people.